In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit mobile site on Wix. First, open your site in the Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, look to the top left area of the top bar and click the switch to mobile icon, which looks like a small smartphone. As soon as you select it, your workspace will change from the full desktop view into a narrow vertical canvas that represents how your site appears on a phone. This is the mobile editor, and it's where you'll adjust your layout so everything feels clean and easy to use on smaller screens. When your mobile view opens, you'll probably notice that your desktop content has been carried over automatically. But it may not look perfectly organized. That's completely normal. Start by rearranging your elements so the page flows from top to bottom in a way that makes sense on a phone. Click and hold items like text boxes, images, and buttons. Then drag and drop them into a cleaner vertical layout. Try to keep the most important content easy to spot without forcing visitors to zoom or scroll too much. Next, resize elements where needed. If a text box feels too large, too small, or awkwardly placed, click it and use the handles to adjust it. The goal here is to make your text readable on a mobile screen without users needing to pinch and zoom. You can also use the up and down arrows that appear next to selected elements. These are especially helpful for moving items and sections into better positions without having to manually drag everything around. As you continue, you may find that some desktop elements create too much clutter on mobile. Large background images, long text areas, or decorative icons can overwhelm a smaller screen. To clean things up, click the element you want to remove from the mobile view. Then choose the Hide Element icon, which looks like a crossed-out eye. This only hides the item on mobile, so your desktop version stays unchanged. Now move on to your mobile menu. Wix automatically turns your desktop navigation into a hamburger menu. Shown as 3 horizontal lines, click the mobile menu to open its floating settings. Then click Layout if you want to adjust how the menu icon is positioned or how the menu opens. Click Design if you want to change the colors, fonts, or the background of the menu overlay so it better matches your site. Once everything looks good, click Preview in the top right corner of the editor to test your mobile site. Tap through your pages, check your links, and make sure any forms are simple to fill out. When you are happy with the final result, click the blue Publish button. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.